What's good, everybody? My name is Jay Fatty. Welcome back to another video. Today I'm going to show you how you can put in chords really quickly using your typing keyboard. Alright, so let's get right into it. So we got FL keys. We're just going to open up the piano roll of FL keys, and we're going to go up to this button right here on FL Studio. Over here it'll tell us what it is when we hover over it. It's the typing keyboard to piano keyboard. We want that turned on, okay? We want to right click it, and we can choose a root note. Let's just stick with A, that's what we're already in, and we can choose a layout, okay? So the layouts, major plus chords and minor natural plus chords, have chords already pre-built into it. So let's just do minor natural plus chords, and our 1 through 0 on our typing keyboard is where we can find chords. So if we just play a few. I was just hitting the number 6 and the number 7 to get those two chords. Now we can right click this and choose different octaves as well. We can use Step Editor to put in some nice chords. Step Editor is another button that's right up here. We're going to want to just left click it to turn it on. It's that little foot icon. And then we can go into the snap to grid and do bar. And let's just put some chords in. And then just put the chords right in there for us, and we can, rearrange it and do what we need to do with it. But it's a quick way to just lay some ideas down using the typing keyboard to piano keyboard and the step editing mode. So yeah, just something cool that's inside FL Studio 20.9. If this video brought you value, please leave a like, hit subscribe, and hit that little bell. Much love, y'all. Peace.